is Yuki with WTI, and I'm here to talk about this amazing set, the FineDine Whiskey Decanter and Glass Set. So it actually comes with 4 of these whiskey glasses. So it's a 5-piece set. What I absolutely love about this whiskey set, that it has high clarity glass. So it is a kind of like a diamond shaped decanter and glasses. So this beautiful, unique, and elegant design really spruce up your liquor cabinet or bar. So I highly recommend it. It is such a perfect addition to your home, and it is such a great option as a gift. But I wanted to show you, because of this rolled rim, it allows for a smooth pouring. So I wanted to show you how that looks. And you don't have to worry about it leaking, dripping in any way. So the measurement, the height of this decanter is about 8.5 inches. And the diameter of the opening is 1.5 inches. And the glasses, they are 3.25 in height. And the diameter of the bowl is 3 5/8. So if you're in a hunt for an elegant, beautifully made decanter whiskey set, then I suggest you look into this one. But that's my point of view.